Good morning, students. Today in this video we are going to study about simple, compound and complex sentence. So first of all we shall start our video with simple sentence. So what is a simple sentence? For understanding that one, please consider on the following sentences. Number 1, he is a singer. Number 2, she reads a book. Students, if we look at the both examples carefully, we can find two things. Number 1, दोनों सेंटेंसेस में प्रत्येक में केवल एक सब्जेक्ट और एक फाइनाइट वर्ब है. एंड नंबर 2, दोनों सेंटेंसेस में केवल एक सब्जेक्ट और एक प्रेडिकेट है. स्टूडेंट्स, these kind of sentences are called simple sentence. If you would like to define, जिस सेंटेंस में केवल एक सब्जेक्ट और एक फाइनाइट वर्ब हो या जिस सेंटेंस में केवल एक सब्जेक्ट और एक प्रेडिकेट हो उसे सिंपल सेंटेंस कहा जाता है. That means a simple sentence is one which has only one subject and one finite verb. Okay students, now we would like to advance ourselves towards compound sentence. So what is a compound sentence? For understanding that one, just think over the following examples. Number 1, Ram was reading and Sita was writing. Number 1. And number 2, the sun rose and we could see everything. Students, if we see the above examples, we can find two things. Number 1, sentence 1 has two independent clauses and that has been connected with coordinating conjunction and. Like those sentences, Ram was reading, Sita was writing. Both are independent clause. That means कि दोनों ही सेंटेंस आपस में फ्री हैं. So students, इनमें से प्रत्येक क्लास में एक सब्जेक्ट और प्रेडिकेट या फाइनाइट वर्ब है. दोनों क्लॉज मिलकर एक लार्जर सेंटेंस का फॉर्मेशन करते हैं. इसी तरह सेंटेंस 2 भी दो इंडिपेंडेंट क्लास से बना है और यह भी कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन एंड से जुड़ा हुआ है. नंबर 1 सेंटेंस, द सन रोज, एंड द सेकेंड पार्ट, वी कुड सी एवरीथिंग. बोथ आर इंडिपेंडेंट क्लासेस. इनमें से प्रत्येक क्लास में एक सब्जेक्ट और एक प्रेडिकेट है या एक फाइनाइट वर्ब है. दोनों क्लासेस मिलकर एक लार्जर सेंटेंस का फॉर्मेशन करते हैं. और नंबर सेकंड थिंग वी कैन से, प्रत्येक क्लास अपने आप में फ्री है, यानी एक पूर्ण वाक्य अर्थात एक कंप्लीट सेंटेंस के लाइक ये बिहेव कर रहे हैं. इन अदर वर्ड्स वी कैन से कि अर्थ की एक्सप्रेशन के लिए दोनों में से कोई भी क्लास एक दूसरे पर डिपेंड नहीं है. ऐसे इंडिपेंडेंट क्लास को प्रिंसिपल या मेन क्लास कहते हैं. ऐसे क्लास को कोऑर्डिनेट क्लास भी कहा जाता है. वी कैन डिफाइन कंपाउंड सेंटेंस लाइक दिस, a sentence which is made up of two or more than two coordinating a principal class is called a compound sentence. We can understand with some more examples like, the hunter lifted the gun, took aim and fired at the tiger. Students, this sentence has been made with the help of 3 coordinating clauses. Like first one, the hunter lifted the gun. Second one, the hunter took aim at the tiger. And the third one, the hunter fired at the tiger. Students, we can understand, we can take one more example like, I got the book from the library and read it and enjoyed it. Students, we can see 3 independent classes are here, like I got the book from library, number 2 I read it, and number 3 I enjoyed it. So I think students, with the help of these 2 examples you can understand what is a compound sentence and how is it made. Students, one thing should be noted down, दो कोऑर्डिनेट क्लॉजेस से बने सेंटेंस को डबल सेंटेंस तथा दो से अधिक कोऑर्डिनेट क्लॉजेस से बने सेंटेंस को मल्टीपल सेंटेंस कहा जाता है। कंपाउंड सेंटेंस प्रायः फॉलोइंग कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन से जुड़े होते हैं। फॉर अंडरस्टैंडिंग द वर्ड्स इट इज बिफोर यू, एंड, बट, और, एज वेल एज, बोथ, एंड, टू, नाउ, आल्सो, not less than, not only but also, wherever, still, yet, nevertheless, only, while, either or, neither nor, otherwise, else, therefore, so, for, then, etc. Now students, we would like to understand about complex sentence. For understanding this one, just try to consider on the following sentences. Like number 1, do not have meal until I come back. And number 2, we returned when the sun set. Students, if we see the both examples, we can say both sentences 1 and 2 having two parts. That means ये दो क्लॉजेस से मिलकर बने हुए हैं। सेंटेंस 1 में क्लास डू नॉट हैव मील शोइंग कंप्लीट मीनिंग एंड it doesn't depend on the other class. These classes are called main class. And the same way, in sentence number 2, we return, showing the complete meaning, and it doesn't depend on the other class. So these are called main class. Students, इन दोनों सेंटेंसेज में डू नॉट हैव मील और वी रिटर्न ये एक कंप्लीट सेंटेंस शो कर रहे हैं और किसी पर डिपेंड नहीं है, इसलिए इन्हें मेन क्लास कहा जाता है। जबकि until I come back एंड when the sunset ये डिपेंडेंट क्लास है जो अपना मीनिंग पूरा करने के लिए डू नॉट हैव मील और वी रिटर्न पर डिपेंड है, इसलिए इन्हें सबऑर्डिनेट क्लास या डिपेंडेंट क्लास कहा जाता है। और इस डिपेंडेंट क्लास से जो सेंटेंस बनता है दैट इज कॉल्ड कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस। सो वी कैन डिफाइन द कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस लाइक दिस: a complex sentence is one which consists of one principal or main class and one or more subordinate clauses. We can understand with the help of some more examples like, as I tried to enter the hotel, the watchman said that there was no room. Students, if we try to see the sentence, we can find three clauses. First one, the watchman said, main class. Second one, as I tried to enter the hotel, one subordinate clause. And the third one, that there was no room, another subordinate clause. So this sentence will be called complex sentence. We can understand with the help of one more example like, when she asked me, I told her that I would not help her. When she asked me, I told her that I would not help her. So students, let's see the sentence. The main clause is I told her, and the two subordinate clauses like when she asked me, and the third one that I would not help her. So students, this sentence has been created with the help of one main clause and two subordinate clauses. So this will be called complex sentence. Student, one most important thing should be noted down that कंपाउंड सेंटेंस में कोऑर्डिनेट क्लासेस यानी दो या अधिक मेन क्लास रहते हैं, जबकि कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस में एक मेन क्लास और कम से कम एक सबऑर्डिनेट क्लास का रहना इम्पॉर्टेंट है। स्टूडेंट्स, सम कंजक्शंस वी कैन यूज फॉर मेकिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस लाइक दैट, सो दैट, इफ, अनलेस, until, in case, till, before, after, so long as, because, why, where, etc. Now students, I would like to assign you some homeworks. First, question number 1, you need to write 5 sentences for each, like simple sentence, complex sentence and compound sentence. And question number 2, you need to state which of the following sentences are compound and which are complex. Number 1, he reached the station after the train had switched off. Number 2, she returned home because she was tired. Number 3, the village in which I live is very small. Next, a guest is unwelcome when he stays too long. Next, God made a mountain and man made a computer. Next, she must weep or she will die. Next, there is a garden where beautiful flowers grow. Next, we walked fast but we missed the train. Next, he is neither a gambler nor a borrower. And the last one, this is the pen which I like most. Students, hope you have understood the topic very properly and you can attend the questions very properly. See you next video with one more interesting topic.